Your pool is a place to have fun, do sports, relax. Now is the moment. We have easy solutions for everyone. If you already have a pool, make it Olympic without adding a single meter. By installing a counter-current unit, you can train every day without leaving your home. Say goodbye to the cold. Heat up the water and enjoy it without limits. With the robotic cleaner, you will cut down your workload. With LED lighting, you will enjoy your pool day and night. Why not turn it into a smart pool and control it from your cell phone? And remember to maintain correct pH and free chlorine levels to enjoy your pool to the maximum. Get in touch with your nearest pool professional and put your trust in a leading brand.